If you want to add a bunch of tools in your daily uses to make your writing engaging, increase your productivity and make it of a really high quality, then in this video I'm going to share with you guys 10 tools that I use as a content writer to churn out content daily, which will help you to write effortlessly. Nowadays people are mostly dependent on the content they consume, like for their daily entertainment, and reading is a major part of that content. So it is important for us as content writers to create engaging and high quality content so that people can come back to it again and also share it along the way. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Abhidev and I create content about freelancing, writing and productivity. So if you're interested in similar content, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's start the video. The first tool in this list is Notion. So Notion is basically a note-taking tool where you can do a bunch of things like make to-do lists, manage your calendar, write code and all. But I use it mainly to write, where it acts as my text editor. While writing, it does not show me any errors or spelling mistakes, which helps me so much to write without thinking much about it. Like about all the mistakes which I make while writing, and I can easily convert the words from my mind onto the laptop screen. And for all the writers who are watching this video, this is a very good hack. While writing, turn off all the spelling and grammar checkers and then start your writing. It will help you so much to focus on your writing and you will not get distracted by anything. I know this video is about tools that I use as a content writer, but generally Notion is that app which I use daily for many things. I make my content calendar, जैसे कौन से videos कौन से दिन post करनी है, like mainly उसके preparation के लिए working on 2 to 3 videos at a time, like multiple scripts पर work करना एक साथ में, and making notes of the books I read, podcast I listen and the courses that I take. So if you guys have never tried Notion, then I would definitely recommend you guys to try it. It will make your workflow 10 times easy and it is available for all the devices. It has an Android and iOS app, Mac and Windows app and even an app for iPad. Moving on to the next tool, which is HubSpot's blog idea generator. So HubSpot's blog idea generator is a tool that helps you to come up with the new ideas for a blog post. Sometimes when you are creating a lot of content daily, then बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि you don't have any fresh ideas for your blog post and you are confused with what to write. So at this time, HubSpot's blog idea generator can help you. You can easily get relevant blog ideas in your niche by just entering 3 relevant keywords to your topic or niche, and it generally gives you 5 blog post ideas, and by this you can easily choose from those 5 ideas which to write, and it literally helps you so much when you are having writer's block. The next tool in the list is Grammarly. So for writers, Grammarly is the most needed tool to remove errors like punctuation marks, grammatical errors, spelling mistakes and all. And it is also used to proofread and self-edit your work. By the way, if you want to know more about proofreading and want to earn money doing it, then I have a separate video on it, which I will link it in the description box below and on the I button above. On Grammarly, you also get insights like word count, reading time, vocabulary and the readability score of your content. If you guys choose to go with its premium version, then it will also check for your content for additional writing issues like your word choice, missing prepositions, plagiarism and many more. I know most of you guys already use this, but still if some of you don't know about it, then try Grammarly and its free version is sufficient for most of the things. Coming on to the next tool, that is Answer the Public. So Answer the Public will tell you what people are searching on the internet. It's basically a tool that will suggest you search based on the keywords that you will enter, which will be in the form of image as shown on the screen. It can be a gold mine for idea generation. All you have to do is go to Answer the Public, put a specific keyword, select the country and get hundreds of results for the next article. And I also use it for idea generation for my YouTube videos. I know what kind of video I want to make and I type that keyword there and get my idea. Moving on to the next tool, which is Hemingway Editor. It is one of the most popularly used content writing tool, and as mentioned on their website, it makes your writing bold and clear. While writing, we sometimes write unnecessary things in the sentence and make it lengthy and complex. So Hemingway Editor helps you to make it short and only add things that are important. It eliminates unnecessary words from the sentences, which is a very important thing when you are writing a blog or article. It basically has 2 modes, which are writing and editing. While you are in a writing mode, it will not show you any mistakes or errors, because while writing, your main focus should be on converting your thoughts from your mind into your screen or writing page, and after you have done your writing, you can edit it easily. So by this, you will have everything that you need to mention in your writing without any distraction, and you can edit things in the later part of the process. When you open their website, then different type of mistakes are shown by different colors, like yellow is for sentences that are long and hard to read, green highlights passive voice, blue tells you to eliminate adverbs if you have used any, and all the other things as mentioned on the screen. I usually copy the things that I have written and paste them into Hemingway editor to look for the mistakes or errors that I have made while writing. So overall, it is must for any writer if you do not use any other tool for editing. This brings us to the next tool, which is the text editor, popularly known as Google Documents. So Google Documents is the most preferred writing editor used by majority of the people because it is very much useful. It gives you various options to collaborate and edit. Like you can share your Google document file with others and multiple users can edit that document at the same time. They can comment on it and can give you their feedback like what to edit and what not to edit. And this all can be done in the real time. जैसे सामने वाला बंदा उस document में कुछ change कर रहा है and उसी time पर आपको अपने document में भी same changes दिख जाएंगे. In Google Documents, others can work on your sent document in multiple views. The first is view mode, where the person to whom you are sending the document can only view it, like he or she cannot make any changes. The second is edit mode, where the other person can do anything with that document. They can add information to it or they can also delete the information. And the third is comment, where they can comment, like they can tell you what to edit in the document. Seventh tool on the list is Ubersuggest. So Ubersuggest is basically SEO tool which helps your blogs or articles to rank higher in the search results on Google. If you are a writer and write content which is SEO oriented, so this tool will help you there. On Ubersuggest, you need to put the keyword and select the country from the list to check which keywords are more searched, like for the audience you are targeting for your blog, and it will show you the list of all the keywords that you will need. Coming on to the next tool known as Flow. So Flow is not any tool to improve your writing, but it is necessary for any writer. It is a simple, very minimalistic Pomodoro timer where you can have multiple writing sessions, like with a set amount of break. I use it daily to write for 25 minutes and then I can take 5 minutes of break. And this cycle repeats for like 4 to 5 times most of the days. It helps me so much to avoid all the distractions while writing and I can easily focus on my writing. In the market, there are also other various options similar to Flow, like Forest App, Zenflip Clock and many more, so you can choose your option accordingly. It is not necessary to have 25 minutes writing sessions, like you can even do 45-minute writing sessions followed by 15 minutes of break. The next tool on the list is Unicheck Plagiarism Checker. So checking for plagiarism is important for you as a writer since you don't want to get any copyright strike or some notice that you have copied someone's writing. So it is better to check your writing before putting it online. And Unicheck Plagiarism is a very good tool to do it. For around 50 pages to check, you need to pay $10 to them. And for further pricing, you can check their website. I will link it in the description box below. And this is the only paid tool that I mentioned in this video. It's like do not have any free plan because it is essential for you guys as a writer. This brings us to the last tool on the list, which is Tapcopy. So while we are writing something like a blog or social media post, we research on a lot of websites and have multiple tabs open on our browser. So Tapcopy is a Chrome extension that helps you to copy the links of all the tabs which are open on your browser. By this, you can just copy all the tab links which are open on your browser in a single click instead of going on to a single tab and manually copying it and then pasting it. And you can save it on your Notes app so that when you turn off your laptop, then you will have all the resources to go through again when you will again switch on your laptop. By this, you will save a lot of time and can easily have all the resources that you need for your content. So these were all the tools that I use on a daily basis while writing, and my content creation process has become so much simpler and smoother just because of all these tools. All the websites and links that I've told you guys in this video will be linked in the description box below. So check those links out. And if you guys found this video useful, then don't forget to give this video a big like and put the smiley emoji on the comment box below so that I can know you have watched this video till the end. See you guys in the next video.